Did you go look in the other room?
That one?
Yep, go look.
Okay. This is the egg! Just do it! Eat your boxes! Look, Dad! Eat your boxes!
I think that's Ashley's.
Auntie, that's yours! Look at this box!
Ashley, your Easter basket.
Hey, look, Dad! Look at this book! I found another one!
That's Ashley's.
Oh, look at this book! Dad, you read this book?
Not right now. Put it in there. Put it back.
Oh, wow! Look at that one! Daddy!
Wow.
Whoa!
Here, let's put that back. Let's put that back. Let's see what else we can find. Emily, you have to find your Easter basket too.
Okay. I found this nut egg! I found a nut egg!
Show me. Cool.
I found the egg!
Here, let's go put this over here. No. Hold on.
Look at that one. Yeah. That's my Easter basket. That's mine.
You gotta find it. Let's go keep looking. Ashley, come on.
Let's find my Easter basket. Where's my Easter basket? Where's my Easter basket? Daddy, my Easter basket, Daddy. Where's mine? Where's mine, Daddy? There? I don't see it. My Easter basket! The recent.
Need help?
Toys are out. It's unhappy any toy. My Easter basket. My Easter basket. My Easter basket.
Ashley, look. Look, Ashley.
A book to me? A book to me? Look, Dad, look!
What do you have, Emily?
Ah, wow.
That pretty neat.
Yeah.
Ashley, let me see what you have.
Honey. Oh, Daddy. They have this book? Oh, yeah. Daddy like that book.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. Oh, what happened on my pocket?
Right here. All this stuff. Ashley was moving it for you. She was helping you.
This Ashley's?
That's Ashley's. This is Emmy's.
Oh, they like this, Daddy. They like this.
I think that's a bubble gun.
Oh, wait, Papa, Bob. Like this.
We put bubbles in there and it shoots bubbles.
Yeah.
Ashley got a book.
2 books.
Ashley, did you see your book?
Oh, yay. Oh, Cuddy. Cuddy.
You don't need any of that right now. We can have some after breakfast, maybe.